Alrighty, here we go. B feature number 2 for the Vetbox Container Factory Stocks. And we're green. Double D on the outside. Here comes the 25E of Rodney Emerson to the inside, and yellow coming out now. Try again this time. Rodney Emerson on the pole. Double D front row outside. Here we go. Top 4 move on. And we're green. Double D leads us going into 1 and 2. Rodney Emerson back to the inside, but it's a better start for Double D. He's off and away. Already challenging for the 4th and final transfer spot. In the 03 Trey Colt, and trouble for the 4U of Donnie Wright. He's everywhere. Toby Cooper running in the 4th and final spot right now. Out of 4 down the back straightaway. Here comes a 51 of Brian Murray. He lit the rocket up. Now he's looking to go. Gives a little love tap to the 03 of Toby Cooper. Looking to go underneath for the 4th and final transfer spot. Cooper, top side. Murray on the bottom, going to try to squeeze his way underneath Cooper into 1 and 2. Down the back straightaway. Cooper holding on for dear life. Toby Cooper wants to put it to the main event, but so does Brian Murray. Cooper takes a 2 for 1 and, man, rams the 25E of Rodney Emerson out the way. That gave a little bit of salivization for the 03 of Toby Cooper. Now he's challenging for second. Now Brian Murray up to the 4th and final transfer spot. 25E of Rodney Emerson right there. Also there, the 15K of Trey Keever. Now side by side for second. Toby Cooper and Houston Garrison. Garrison got away on top side. Toby Cooper on the bottom. Here comes Rodney Emerson back to the inside of the 51 for the 4th and final transfer spot. Rodney Emerson trying the inside of Brian Murray. Brian holding his own on the outer lane. Tried to cut the nose away from the 25E of Rodney Emerson going into 1 and 2. Toby Cooper back to the inside. A second placement, the number 2 of Houston Garrison. Down the back straightaway. It's still Double D holding off halfway. 6 down, 6 to go for Double D. Toby Cooper right there to the inside for second. Now here comes the 51 of Brian Murray. Every spot matters for your top 4 of how they're going to start to the main event. Brian Murray on the tail bumper. The 03, Toby Cooper. Cooper holding on to the bottom. Brian Murray right there now. Here comes the 4U of Donnie Wright into the mix of the 25E of Rodney Emerson. Donnie Wright to the inside of Emerson, and contact, and Wright went off the ground and back plants it. Donnie Wright and yellow coming out, and 3 and 4 for the 03H of Clay Holt. Alrighty, here we go. We're back underway. 7 complete. Who's moving on? Double D leads us going in the front straightaway. Into 1 and 2. Houston Garrison on the bottom. And debris coming from the 4U of Donnie Wright. Right in the middle of 1 and 2. Man, that came right from the 4U of Donnie Wright. You can see that whole right side. One spot away from the biggest one. And Double D leads us, and we're green. Double D on the outside. Here comes the 2 of Houston Garrison for the lead. And now Trey Keever showed his nose momentarily to the 51 of Brian Murray. Brian trying underneath the Cooper. And now here we go. It's shaping up for the 4th and final spot. Trey right there wheeling his way, trying to get around the 51. And he falls back out to 2 down the back straightaway. Top 4 pulling away from the field. Here comes the 51 of Brian Murray to the inside of Cooper. And Cooper spins. Toby Cooper spins. He was in 3rd. And things shape up once again. Double D will lead us. Houston Garrison, Brian Murray, Donnie Wright, and we're back green. With 3 laps remaining. Double D leads going top side. Donnie Wright looking to go outside of Brian Murray. He's going to try to overcome Brian for 3rd. Now Brian going underneath Houston Garrison. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, all vowing for that second spot. Here comes Donnie Wright to the inside. 3 wide out of 4. At the line, it's going to be Brian Murray. Brian Murray now. Donnie Wright with the advantage on the bottom of 1 and 2. Donnie Wright, 1 second. Every position matters for how you start. Donnie Wright right there on the bottom. White flag one more time around. Donnie Wright now nearing race leader, Double D, Dwayne Davis. Davis going top side. Donnie Wright on the bottom. Wright has the advantage coming out of 2 on the bottom. Blows the doors away from D3. Now on the outside. Here comes Donnie Wright spins. Oh my, your leader. Double D wins it. Brian Murray, Donnie Wright, Houston Garrison move on to the show. What I tell you. Your Vetbox container factory stocks do not disappoint. How about that finish? Ladies and gentlemen, give him a round of applause. Double D, Dwayne Davis.